Hello, fellow creatives. Kamran here, ready to guide you through a delightful drawing experience. Grab your artistic tools, and let's dive into crafting an adorable duck together. Start by sketching a rounded body, then add a small oval for the head. Ducks have distinctive bills, so draw a slightly curved beak pointing downward. Don't forget the expressive eyes, 2 small circles will do the trick. Now, extend a graceful neck from the head. For the wings, draw 2 curved lines on either side of the body. Ducks have webbed feet, so let's create that by drawing 3 connected ovals at the bottom. Add some tail feathers at the back to complete the basic duck shape. Now, let's bring our duck to life with some details. Add a few lines on the wings to represent feathers and give texture to the body. Create a charming expression by adding eyebrows above the eyes and a smiley beak. Feel free to play with colors. Ducks come in various shades, so let your imagination run wild. You can use yellows, oranges, and browns to make your duck vibrant and cheerful. Share your duck drawings in the comments, I'd love to see your unique interpretations. If you enjoyed this artistic journey, consider subscribing for more exciting drawing adventures. Keep those creative juices flowing, and I can't wait to witness the magic you'll bring to your duck drawings. Until next time, happy drawing!